factory through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Logan Roberson, Joe Level on the front row, going into turn 3. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Green flag in the air. Logan Roberson out front here. Looks like he will lead lap 1. Lap 1 to Logan Roberson. Second, Joe Level. Third, Jack Brown. Fourth, Corey Almond. Fifth, Sean Wetzel. Sixth is Matthew Hildebrand. And in seventh is Buck Roadcap. Logan Roberson looking good here in Heat 1 early. Over several car lengths over Joe Level here. Logan Roberson's way out front there. Joe Level in second. Third, Jack Brown. Fourth is Corey Almond. Fifth, Sean Wetzel. Sixth, Matthew Hamilton. Seventh, Matthew Hildebrand. Seventh is Buck Roadcap. Logan Roberson's got the factory 17 CVR dialed in here tonight in Heat 1. Two to go for Waynesboro, Virginia's Logan Roberson over Joe Level, Jack Brown, Corey Almond. Fifth is Sean Wetzel. Sixth, Matthew Hildebrand. Seventh, Buck Roadcap. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, at Natural Bridge Speedway in Heat 1 in the late models. White flag out for Logan Roberson. One more turn 3 and 4 for Logan Roberson. Here we go. Checkered flag is out. Your winner, Logan Roberson. Second, Joe Level. Third, Jack Brown. Fourth, Corey Almond. Fifth, Sean Wetzel. In sixth, it's Matthew Hildebrand. And in seventh, it's Buck Roadcap. So, Natural Bridge Speedway, your Heat 1 winner. Give it up for Logan Roberson. No, there he is, Franklin Karakoff. I did not see him. There he is, starts 6th out of New Hope, Virginia, and then starting 7th, Kendall Nelson out of Churchville, Virginia. Here we go for the green this time. Green flag is out. Justin Williams going into turn 3 and 4 here, looking to lead lap 1. Give lap 1 to Lynchburg, Virginia's Justin Williams. Matt Long in second, Larry Ramsey in third, Jesse Quick in fourth. Fifth is Derek Rankin. Sixth, Franklin Karakoff, and then Kendall Nelson in seventh. Justin Williams over a second over Matt Long. First, second, third spaced out. Everyone's spaced out nice in this heat. 4 laps in the books here. Justin Williams still has led every lap so far of this heat. Here we go. 2 to go here. 2 to go for Justin Williams. Matt Long in second. Larry Ramsey in third. Fourth, Jesse Quick. Fifth, Derek Rankin. Sixth, Franklin Kirchhoff. Seventh is Kendall Nelson. White flag in the air for Justin Williams. One more time around Natural Bridge Speedway. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Checker flag in the air. Justin Williams is your winner. Second is Matt Long. Third will be Larry Ramsey. Fourth will be Derek Rankin. And in fifth, Jesse Quick. Sixth, Franklin Kirchhoff. And seventh will be Kendall Nelson. So, Natural Bridge Speedway, Heat 3. Heat 2 winner. Give it up for Justin Williams, Lynchburg, Virginia. Give it up for Justin Williams, Natural Bridge Speedway. Jesse Donald out of Fairfield, Virginia. Tyler Bayer, Sean Walker bringing them to the green this time in the Heat 3. Green flag in the air. Tyler Bayer leads lap 1. Sean Walker, Arthur, Caleb Fulp, Jeff Witt, and Jesse Donald. Tyler Bayer, several car lengths over Sean Walker now. Three laps in the books. Tyler Bayer still your leader. Sean Walker second. Walker Arthur in third. Caleb Fulp in fourth. Jeff Witt in fifth. And 6 to 77 of Jesse Donald. Jesse Donald goes off of turn 3 to the back pit. 2 to go. Halfway here for Tyler Bayer. Tyler Bayer is 3.153 seconds over Sean Walker. His lead keeps increasing. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 2 to go. 2 to go for Rockbridge Bass, Tyler Bayer. White flag one more time around Natural Bridge Speedway for Tyler Bayer. The 00 looks strong here tonight in Heat 3. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Checkered flag is out for Tyler Bayer. In second will be Sean Walker. Third will be the 6W Walker Arthur. Then in fourth, the 4 of Caleb Fulp. Fifth, the 88 of Jeff Witt. So, Natural Bridge Speedway, Heat 3 winner, Give it up for the 00 of Tyler Bear out of Rockbridge, Bass, Virginia.